Meaning of guzzle.
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 Guzzle. The word guzzle means to consume a liquid greedily and quickly, often in large quantities. It can also be used figuratively to describe someone who excessively indulges in something, such as food or alcohol. Guzzle has a negative connotation, implying a lack of self-control or moderation. When someone guzzles, they may experience discomfort or even illness due to the rapid intake of fluids. In short, guzzling is an unhealthy and sometimes unflattering behavior associated with excessive consumption or indulgence.